Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the double crochet increase. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I did use regular double crochet stitches, and on the row that I'm currently working, I have made 3 chains. In my first stitch, I'm going to make 1 regular double crochet, and I'm going to be making 1 regular double crochet stitch in between my increases. So I'm ready to make my first increase. In this next stitch right here, I'm going to work 1 double crochet. And in that same stitch, I'm going to work a second double crochet. And that is going to be the double crochet increase. So I'm just going to work 1 regular one right here in this next stitch. I'm going to make another increase, 1 double crochet in the stitch. And then a second one in that same stitch. I'm going to make a regular one right here, just 1. I'm ready to make another increase, 1 double crochet in the stitch, then a second one in that same stitch. And I'm going to repeat this for the rest of my row. I have now finished my row. This is how the increases are looking. And you can see if you look at my work and my little swatch here, how the sides right here are normal and even. And then once you get to this row that I made, they're starting to expand and go out and widen. And that's because of those little increase stitches. It is going to make your work get bigger and wider. So that is going to be how to make the double crochet increase. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.